Have you ever pondered what children feel after their parents divorce? Do they feel happier with mom or dad? How does this monumental change affect them? Today, we delve into these poignant questions to better understand children's emotional journey amidst their parents' separation. Before we dive in, remember that every child's experience is unique. No two stories are the same, and the feelings, reactions, and coping mechanisms can vary greatly. What we explore today are broad strokes painted from a myriad of experiences. First, we hear from Sam. He's a 12-year-old who's been living with his mum since the divorce. "I felt like my world had turned upside down," he says. "But mum always made sure we had fun. We would go to the park, bake cookies on the weekend. It was different without dad around, but it wasn't all bad." Then there's 9-year-old Lucy who lives with her dad. "I missed my mum a lot in the beginning," she confesses. "But dad and I started doing things together. We would read books, play board games. It wasn't the same, but it was still good." We also hear from 15-year-old Max, who splits his time between his mom and dad. "It was hard at first, constantly moving between two houses," he admits. "But both mom and dad tried to make it easier. They never fought in front of me, they kept my routines consistent. It was tough, but I knew they both loved me." From these stories, we can glean some main points. First, children's happiness post-divorce is not a matter of mom or dad. It's more about how each parent helps the child navigate the new normal. Second, maintaining a sense of routine and stability is crucial. And third, while the initial period is challenging, children are resilient. They can and do find happiness in their new circumstances. Remember, a child's well-being is paramount. Divorce is a difficult transition, not just for the parents, but more so for the children involved. As adults, it is our responsibility to ensure their emotional journey is acknowledged, understood, and supported. Children are not just passive observers in the drama of divorce. They are active participants in their own stories. They feel, they hurt, they heal, and they grow. Let us strive to understand their journey, respect their feelings, and support them through their challenges. The journey of a child through their parents' divorce is not an easy one. But with love, understanding, and support, they can navigate this challenging terrain and come out stronger on the other side. As we've heard from Sam, Lucy, and Max, it's not about choosing mum or dad. It's about adjusting to a new reality, maintaining stability, and knowing they are loved. We hope this exploration has shed some light on children's feelings following their parents' divorce. It's a complex subject with many layers and nuances. But at its core, it's about children finding happiness and stability amidst change. And that is something we can all strive to support.